Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn how to compare two columns in Excel. So today we will talk about how to compare the data between two columns. Okay, so we are going to see the two way to compare the two columns. The one is without formula and the second is with the formula. Okay, so let's start how to compare two columns in Excel. So when you want to see how two columns differ, what do you do? Do you scan through and keep an eye out of difference? Means we are going to do manually check one by one. So if you are doing anything like that you are wasting a lot of time. So there are much easier options and we will show you how to use them. You will get perfect result and it won't take nearly as long. Okay. So first we will see how to highlighting differences between columns. Okay. The first method is we will use simply highlight the difference between columns. And it's only a temporary highlighting, but it will give you an idea how many lines in your columns differ. Okay. So this method only looks at rows that differ between columns. Even if a value is present elsewhere in the columns, it will be highlighted if it doesn't match the value next to it. Okay, so let's start with the first example. So we have a data like this, scheduled and registered, and we have a we would require compare the two columns, scheduled and registered. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll select this. It's very simple. Okay, you have to select this and go to home, and here is option find and select. Click on that, go to special and see here is option called row differences. Okay, so just click on that, click OK. If you click OK, see there are some values has been highlighted which is not matching with the A column. So simply we are going to highlight this like this. Okay, see this is not matching from A column. See, okay, you want to know how many is this, so just simply filter and here filter by color. So you will come to know 14 count has been not matched with the A column. Okay, got it? So this is the first example. This is the first example. I'll select no fill. Okay, so now this is the first example, and now we will see making a list of differences with the formula. Okay, if you are looking for more permanent highlighting of differences, you can do that too. It just required a clever formula. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, and it's look a bit confusing, so what we are going to do, we are going to break this. Okay, this formula. Okay, so the matching function, what we're going to do, we'll use the match function. Okay, so we have a second scenario. We have animal 1, animal 2, and now we'll put the match. The lookup value is this one and lookup array is this. Okay, 0. Got it? We'll drag it. See, there are hash NA 44, means how many matches are there. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we'll put if and is error within this. So simply what we are going to do, we'll put if is error bracket close, I'll select this one, otherwise blank bracket close. Okay, so I will explain what is the formula. Okay, if error is found, okay, if there is no error, if error is found, then the B2 value is come over here, and if there is no error, so it will give a blank. Okay, so we will come to know, see, this one is not matching. If you see this one is not matching from the A. Okay, so we have a formula also. You just simply filter this and untick the blank, so you will come to know how many is not matching from the A. Okay, see, and the blank one is matching. You select blank, see, vulture king, vulture, okay, see, vulture king is here, means it's matching. It's not necessary it's the same A2, it should be B2. Okay, but it is there in B column. Vulture king is there, see. Okay, so if it's match, it will show as a blank, and if it will not match, we'll get the B2 value. Okay, so this is the scenario. You can use this, how to compare two columns in Excel. Okay, and this is very useful topic. I know most of the people doesn't know, but we have a lot of thing in Excel to use it. Okay, and it's very simple, but just you have to see this. Okay, just like find and select, the first scenario. Okay, so I hope you understood how to compare two columns in Excel. We have seen a two-way to compare it. Okay, the first one is go to find and select like this. First we'll select this, go to find and select, go to special, and here see, you can highlight this any color. So this is the first scenario, the first way to highlight. Okay, and this is the second, this is the permanent thing. If you put the formula, this is the permanent thing. Okay, so I hope you understood both the scenario, and if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.